During this time, Ma'at is teaching us to bring balance into our lives through order and harmony, right? And where there's order or where there's law, there's harmony. Where there's order, there's harmony, right? Remember when we spoke about the 7 great initiations of the first degree initiate? We said initiates had to Amanzonza. This is the time of Amanzonza, and the cloth that is active during this time is Injeti. This one right here. Injeti is connected with Amanzonza. Amanzonza were famous for preparing warriors for war. And Amanzonza were also fishermen. They were boatmen or the ferrymen. They spent a lot of their time in and around water. Hence, they fall under the sign of Uslenga, the boatman. Ma'at is also connected with divination because her priesthood is the Sentit, right? These were people who were oracle readers. So during this time, you may be drawn towards getting your divination bones. You may be receiving dreams concerning your oracles, whether you dream of cards or stones or shells, etc. It doesn't matter. When you study and apply the laws of conduct, you are now entering upon the true path. The elders say you are now entering upon the way. These are the laws that may turn you into a co-creator, even with the Abakulubantu, the ascent ruled by Leo. This for them will also be a cycle of maturity, because Leo has to do with the matured father, the sun at its zenith. So we shall see a lot of spiritual maturity and spiritual growth, and also physical maturity. Do make sure that you are aligned. We do have the bracelets for this cycle, the amethyst bracelets, we have the amethyst pendants, we have the purple colored cloth, we have Impepo Yamanzi, which is perfect for people who are dealing with Amanzonza. We do have